Leet code 35. Search insert position. Given a sorted array of distinct integers and a target value, return the index of the target if the target is found. If not, return the index where it would be if it were inserted in order. You must write an algorithm log in runtime complexity. Right equals minus 1. Result equal -1. If target less than nums of 0, return 0. And if target is greater than nums of right, the last index, return nums of length, insert at the end. Left less than equal to right. Let mid equal math dot floor, left plus right divided by 2. If nums target equals min, return mid. Else if nums mid less than target, left equals mid plus 1. Else right equals mid minus 1, and result is equal to mid. Return result. So either we return mid because we found it, otherwise we return the insert point mid. Very nice. Very nice. Left, right, 0, len nums, -1. If target less than nums 0, return 0. If target greater than nums right, return len nums. While left less than equal to right, mid equals left plus right, floor division. If nums mid equals target, return min. If nums mid less than target, left equals mid plus 1. Else right equals mid minus 1. Result equals min. Return result. Alright, very simple. Search and insert. Well, we're not actually inserting, but return the index if we were to insert it. A lot of binary search recently.